Hello, welcome to my cooking show, Cooking with Chef Areebah. Alright, well today we're going to make a very nice dish, really yummy. But first I'd like to introduce a guest. Please welcome Ayana Ahmed. Alright, so guess what we're making, Ayana?
Pizza.
Yep, alright, so pizza recipe. Yes. So what do we need first? Well, the ingredients are flour, tomato sauce, pepperoni, cheese, and baking powder. Now for the instructions. Number 1, mix the flour and baking powder to make the dough, then toss it in the air, spread the tomato sauce, sprinkle the cheese, top it with pepperoni, then roll in the edge to form crust. Now, you put in the oven and bake for 1 hour at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you take it out carefully and you cool it. Then eat up. Alright, so let's see. What do we do first? We get the flour. Alright. We will put some flour, okay?
Okay.
Could you please, alright. Got it. 2, 3 measures of flour. 2 measures of baking powder. Now, could you please mix it? Miss Ayana, the guest? Alright.
Yes.
While I get the next thing ready. Alright, wait. Preheat the oven. Alright, that's enough. Now,
Okay.
let's put it in the air. Alright. Woohoo! Yeah! Flip. Alright, we got it. Now, we will put some tomato sauce on it. You spread it after I put it. Okay, can you please spread it? Alright, that's good enough. Now, sprinkle some cheese. Looks delicious already. Alright, now, let's put 1 or 2 pepperonis. Okay, now, let's put it in the oven. And we will bake it for 1 hour at 450 degrees. Alright, now please stay tuned. It will be the ad right now, but we'll be back. Thank you. Yeehaw!
Yeehaw!
Alright, welcome to Hat Gallery, where you can get all sorts of hats. Yeah, I'm right. You see, not just cowboy hats, but pirate hats.
And witch hats.
Alright, and we also have winter hats. It's cold, but it keeps you warm. And what else do we have?
And we have a cat in the hat.
A cat in the hat. Well, anyways, we have all sorts of hats. So, please come to Hat Gallery to get all your hats. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hi, welcome back to our cooking show. Alright, so let's see if the pizza's ready.
Okay.
Ooh, yes. Hot, kind of hot. Oh, hot. But it's ready. Ooh, doesn't that look delicious? Uh-huh. Look at this. Alright, so let's see, what can we put with this? Well, I guess we could put it in a plate, of course.
And maybe we could put a cup of soda.
Yeah, sure. I'm going to pour some soda. Perfect. Alright. This looks delicious. Trust me.
Very.
Very. Okay, we are going to set this right here. Now, let's see what's next. Oh yeah. What is it time for?
Cake time!
Yeah, cake! Okay, so, here's the recipe for the cake. First, you mix flour, beaten egg, granulated sugar, melted butter, milk, and cocoa powder. Since it's chocolate cake, so cocoa powder. You put it and make a batter with it. So you mix the batter together in a bowl. Okay? Then, you put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Then, you take it out and cool. Then you frost it with icing, and you can decorate it if you want. Then, dig in. Alright, sounds pretty simple, right?
Yep.
Alright, it's very simple but really yummy. So, let's see, what do we need first? Well, let's get a bowl. How can we mix without a bowl?
A spoon.
Yes, a spoon. Thank you, Anna. And so first, we have to put some flour. Let's get some flour. All right. Now, can you see what's next after the flour?
Yes.
See, I'm mixing it.
Egg. Egg is next.
And, egg. All right.
Egg.
Let's crack an egg. All right. Egg is in here. Now, what next? Yes, sugar. All right. Sugar. Let's put some sugar. All right. Okay. Mix it. What's next after sugar?
Melted butter.
All right. Well, we already have our melted butter. Let's just pour it in because we melted it. All right. So after that,
Milk.
Container of milk. Just pour it in. All right. Put it back. What's after milk?
Cocoa powder. The last thing.
Last thing, cocoa powder. The yumminess of this recipe. All right, cocoa powder. Cocoa powder time.
Very yummy.
Measure 2 small teaspoons. Maybe a little extra just for flavor. All right. Now. Okay, so we mix batter together. We're doing that. Now, let's put this in this bowl. Okay. We're going to put this in the oven for 350 degrees for 45 minutes, all right? Okay. Now, while this 45 minutes, we'll just stay tuned and see you back after the ad.
Areebah. I know this is a really comfy pillow, but wake up.
Huh? Oh. Hi. Hi. All right. So, welcome to Perfect Pillows. You can get the comfiest pillows. Really. Look, it's so comfy and fluffy. It's one of our finest pillows. Look, it's even double-sided. You can have small flowers or big flowers. All right. Now, what else do we have? Oh, yeah, we have these 2 satiny pillows. This is more for furniture, but this is more for, like, a little girl's room. So, yeah, it's pretty nice. All right, and what else do we have? We have these pillows. Yep. Look at these. They're so cool, right?
Yep.
It's so nice. So, you can buy any pillow you want, any color you want, any style you like. It's your style. All right. See ya. Come to Perfect Pillows. Bye. Welcome back. Okay, so the cake's ready. Let's check on the cake.
Oh.
This looks so scrumptious, doesn't it? I mean, take a look. Doesn't that look so good?
That's the best cake ever.
Oh, well, we already frosted it because you can frost it however you like. Now, let's just put this in a plate. All right. That. Wow, this is so good.
It's the best cake ever.
Let's take a bite. This is delicious.
Let me try.
You try. Isn't it so good?
Yeah, it's the best cake ever.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we'll put this with our meal. looks wonderful. Let's take a closer look. Delicious.
Very delicious.
All right. Now, thank you for watching Cooking with Chef Areebah.